ABC Educational Channel. Today let's learn about food and drinks. Vegetables. This is a carrot. Carrot. This is a cucumber. Cucumber. This is a garlic. Garlic. This is a lettuce. Lettuce. This is a mushroom. Mushroom. This is an onion. Onion. This is a pepper. Pepper. This is a potato. Potato. This is a pumpkin. Pumpkin. This is a tomato. Tomato. Fruits. This is an apple. Apple. This is a banana. Banana. These are cherries. Cherries. These are grapes. Grapes. This is a lemon. Lemon. This is an orange. Orange. This is a peach. Peach. This is a pear. Pear. This is a strawberry. Strawberry. This is a watermelon. Watermelon. Meat. Beef. Lamb. Pork. Bacon. Chicken. Ham. Meatballs. Ribs. Sausage. Steak. Seafoods. Clams. Mussels. Octopus. Prawn. Salmon. Sardines. Tuna. Dairy products. Butter. Cheese. Cream. Ice cream. Milk. Milkshake. Yogurt. Cereal. Biscuit. Bread. Cereal. Corn. Flour. Pasta. rice, wheat, legumes, beans, chickpeas, green beans, lentils, peas, nuts, almond, cashew, chestnut, coconut, hazelnut, pistachio, peanut, walnut, fast food, candy bar, French fries, hamburger, hot dog, pizza, sandwich, sweets, cake, chewing gum, jelly beans, licorice, lollipop, candies, other food, egg, jam, ketchup, mayonnaise, mustard, olive oil, salt, sugar, vinegar, drinks, beer, coffee, hot chocolate, orange juice, soft drinks, tea, water, wine. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.